All right, picture this. In a world where recording music has gotten crazy easy thanks to technology, we're left wondering, is there still room for those traditional professional recording studios? Don't get me wrong, home setups have their perks, but there's a kind of magic that a proper studio brings. Today, we're diving into why your music deserves the warm embrace of a professional recording studio. Now, imagine your music as this big orchestra of emotions, just waiting for its moment in the spotlight. A pro recording studio. It's like the VIP pass. You're talking top-tier microphones, acoustics that do this perfect dance with your melodies, and sound engineers who are basically wizards at crafting sonic perfection. You know that whole mixing process, where these sound experts mix and blend your tracks. Well, that's the secret sauce. It's where your raw sounds evolve into this captivating story that sticks around in the hearts of your listeners. So, you walk into a recording studio, and it's like stepping into a treasure chest of gear. Think about it. Premium microphones capturing every little vocal quirk, and instruments that just blend together like they were meant to be. These are no ordinary tools. They're like magical wands that bring your melodies to life in ways you never even dreamed of. But here's the deal. It's not just about the fancy gear. Nope, it's that human touch that's pure gold. You've got these sound maestros who become your partners in crime, guiding your music to a whole new level. They're like the musical Yodas, helping you pick the perfect mic for your voice or fine-tuning the mix till it's got that extra punch. Your music goes from "yeah, that's cool" to "holy wow, that's extraordinary." Let's talk creativity for a sec. A recording studio isn't just a place. It's like this magical realm where creativity runs wild. Surrounded by all these gadgets and in an atmosphere that screams inspiration, your musical ideas just take off. Seriously, it's like your artistic brain suddenly sprouted wings. You can push the boundaries, play around with new sounds. It's your playground for creativity. Now, if you've ever dealt with setting up a home recording space, you know it can be a bit of a circus. But here's where the recording studio swoops in like a superhero. Everything's set up and ready to roll, from the acoustics to the top-notch gear to sound engineers who are like your musical bodyguards. With the tech stuff handled by the experts, your ideas flow naturally, leading to more music and less stress. Oh, the perils of home recording. The doorbell ringing, the dishes clinking, distractions at every corner. But guess what? A pro studio becomes your fortress of concentration. It's you, your tunes, and that enchanting world of sound. No tech hiccups, no interruptions, just pure musical immersion. Trust me, when distractions vanish, your creativity goes through the roof. Now, a recording studio isn't just about gear. It's about the connections too. Here, you're not just surrounded by cables and buttons. You're in the midst of fellow musicians, engineers, and producers. It's a creative hub where ideas bounce around, jam sessions happen, and a network of musical minds comes together. Your music grows through shared experiences, building bonds that extend far beyond those studio walls. All right, imagine this. Your music is this beautiful painting, and a pro recording studio is where it gets those final, exquisite strokes. Sound engineers work their magic, tweaking every note till it's just perfect. Harmonies align, tones become a symphony, and the soul of your music is captured flawlessly. This attention to detail is like turning regular sound into pure sonic gold, giving your listeners an experience they won't forget. And there you have it, folks. A professional recording studio isn't just a space. It's where your music transforms from an idea into a masterpiece. It's where potential becomes reality and ordinary becomes extraordinary. Investing in this experience isn't just about money. It's an investment in your creativity, your passion, and your musical dreams. Get ready to experience your own music like never before. Vibrant, rich, and absolutely mesmerizing. Your music deserves nothing short of the magic that a professional recording studio brings. So why wait? Your music, my friend, deserves the best. It deserves a professional recording studio. The magic starts now.